How to fix Modern Warfare not connecting to online services issue. To fix Modern Warfare not connecting to online services issue, try 1. Check Warfare server status. 2. Basic troubleshooting tips are: reboot your network. Try a wired connection. Restart your computer. 3. Update your network driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Verify the integrity of game files via battle.net launcher. 5. Reset WinSock and flush your DNS. Run the following commands as admin: netshare int IP reset c:/reset log.txt. Netshare WinSock reset IP protocol configuration /flush and 6. Change the DNS server. 7. Change the region.